€5 is too much.
Pasta.
Find such people. Good morning everyone, and it's day 2 of my trip. So again early morning, and we'll just have our breakfast. So guys, I'm in Madurodam. Madurodam, yeah, I think that is what it is called. So it's in the Hague in the Netherlands, which is a famous tourist attraction with all sort of miniatures, which represents the Dutch history and all of the historical, cities and its places and all of the tourist attractions. So that is what has been made, and it's really very beautiful because they're all small miniatures kind of. So that's really very pretty. So the overall ticket for it is, I think it's of 20 to 23 euros. But it's worth visiting, I guess, because you will be able to see many parts, right, of the Netherlands. So guys, all miniatures are so cute and so beautiful, and it actually resembles the original one, right? I'll not say exact, like overall 100%, but yeah, it actually resembles. And there are many miniatures. I don't know how they maintain it. It must be very difficult and a tough task for them to do, but it's absolutely gorgeous. So guys, I'm in the cheese clock and shoemaking factory. So Netherlands, basically it's famous for its cheese, waffles and the wooden shoes, which people used to wear, because here we have so much of water, canals everywhere, so just to protect them, so there was this wooden shoes that people used to wear. So we'll just see how that is made and how the cheese is made. So that is what I have come to visit here. This is the Dutch costume, right?
Yeah, this is for Volendam. Every village has a different color.
Okay.
So if you go to market, they have this green and orange.
Okay, and does this signifies anything? Any color?
Yes, by the color you know where the person comes from. Like this.
You can call it young cheese. For example, this one you can use to produce pasta, or even to slice like this to eat it casually. Our feet against wet soil 800 years ago, and there were already wooden shoes at the time when the Roman soldiers were passing by. Voila! So this is the outside of a wooden shoe.
I'm getting this waffles.
Hello.
Hello, yeah, I'd like to have these.
Yes, it's 6.50.
So just wanted to tell you a few things about Amsterdam. So Amsterdam, or Holland, basically it's very famous for its cheese, wooden shoes that I already mentioned, along with that bicycles, because people here prefer to ride by bicycles more, and I think they are given the first preference, right, even if you're driving a BMW or any other car. And definitely water. So there is lots and lots of canals that you will find it here in Amsterdam. So guys, I'm in the beautiful village, which is the Volendam village, and here you can see. So in Amsterdam, basically, not Amsterdam, I will say, like Netherlands overall. So here only you will have land below the sea level. So you can see the sea, and then you have houses behind me. Right, so it's a lovely village. Like, I have houses, beautiful houses, and then there is sea. Just see how many cycles are kept in this house. So guys, finally I am in Amsterdam, and the city is so pretty, so beautiful. So Amsterdam has a different architecture altogether, and it's full of people riding bicycles. So all around I can just see cycling. So and the canals. So I just have a cruise ride as well. So let's explore the cruise ride and the canals all across Amsterdam. Overall, I'm just taking a stroll for now. So people here are sitting outside, they're drinking beer. I am thinking to have coffee because that is what I like to explore in different cities. So I'm just looking out, although there are many restaurants and many shops, but I'm just looking out for some coffee place or a cafe. So as part of Dutch culture, you know, here pancakes and waffles are eaten the most in breakfast, and hence that is the reason you will see maximum number of waffles, pancakes and chocolate shop all around in Netherlands, Amsterdam, I mean everywhere. So here as well I can see majority number of shops is waffle or pancake, and that is the thing what people are having the most. So I have to get fridge magnets as well for Amsterdam. So I'm just looking which one to have, which is the best one. One fridge magnet is of 5 euros. I think that's too much to give for a fridge magnet. 5 euros is too much. I think I'll go with this one. So here in Netherlands, you will find most of the people smoking out and they're high. So there was this one person, I think, who just came up to me while I was walking, and he said that I've read something on your face, can I just elaborate? I think he meant in terms of face reading, but I just said no, thank you, that's it. So I think you have to be beware of such things, because definitely you will find such people. See, when you're traveling solo, so there is only one disadvantage, that you'll not be able to get your full pictures clicked. So I'm just looking out for some people who can click my pictures. So I just asked a few strangers to click my pictures. I have to see them, because obviously at that moment you cannot say no, it's not good, or click some more. So whatever they've clicked, I think I have to be okay in that. Okay guys, so I've reached to my hotel room now, and it's 8:35, but sun is still out obviously. So I'll just have a little bit of rest, and then I'll head back to downstairs to have my dinner. And again, I think they'll have Indian meal, so I'll just have Indian meal, and post that nothing else. I think I'll just sleep.